Hello friends, I am making this video to explain easy composting method to my South Indian brothers and the people who don't understand Hindi. So I am explaining this process in English. What we need to do is that we have to make Jeevamrit in a drum. For making this you need 5 liters of cow urine. It should be of a indigenous Indian breed. The cow urine of Jersey and Friesian breed will not work. You can mix, but you cannot take completely cow urine of Jersey or other foreign breeds. And other things that you need to mix in this Jeevamrit are cow dung, that should be 10 to 15 kgs, and jaggery 2 kgs, gram powder 1 kg, and you have to take half or 1 kg soil from under people or banyan tree. So you need to mix all of them. And you have to mix, then put butter, and you have to mix and rotate the solution like this. This is very important step. This is clockwise direction. Don't rotate it in anti-clockwise direction. If you do so, the microbes in this solution will die. So you have to mix it daily, and each and every 7 days you need to mix this solution with cow dung. Like this, you have to spread this solution all over cow dung. This is also very much cost effective as compared to urea and DAP and other chemical fertilizers, and this will produce organical crops which are healthier. And you need to, then you have to mix it. Take a chow and mix it like this, so that solution get mixed in each and every part of this cow dung. You need to do this process 4 times after a gap of a week. So in 28 days your compost will be ready. And this compost is as much as powerful as vermicompost, and you need only 4 quintals of it for 1 acre land. After 28 days it becomes like tea granules. Then you can use it in basal dose, or you can throw it like urea also, but it works best if you give it in basal dose. And one more important thing is that if you are doing farming of vegetables, then it is impossible to do vegetable farming without using compost or cow's compost or vermicompost. You cannot do vegetable farming only using chemicals. You need this. Without this you cannot do farming, which requires more nutrition, and vegetables require more nutrition as compared to the crop farming. This is the third time I'm spreading this solution over cow dung. In 4 times it gets complete. This process gets complete. If you have any kind of doubt, then you can comment. I will explain. One more thing which I have done, that if you spread cow dung firmly on the ground and tie cows over it, then their foot will crush it, and they will make like this, crush the cow dung like this, and then it becomes easy to mix that solution in this cow dung. And when it dries, when the cow dung dries, then it also become comfortable for the cows to sit in them, and it becomes like this. You can see that. Thank you.